Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about the trade breakdown which I have taken in XAU in London section. So if I am in phase 2, so how I have made 3% in one day. So I just risked nearly about 1% in this trade and I made 1% of $60. Okay, it's nearly about 1.3% or 1.3%. I risked in this trade, but I have made 3% in this trade. So soon we will be updating good news for you guys. Stay tuned for that. So how I have entered in this trade, let's see the breakdown. So everyone know the bias of gold is bullish. So I'm expecting the buys. So I will be not using the feature chart for gold. The reason why I have trade the chart in future because of the sales and liquidity which you have happened here. So the sales and liquidity does not happen in like CFT brokers like Oganda, Forex.com. These are the two major CFT brokers. I used to watch the gold price action. So the price action of the CFT in Oganda does not take this low. So the manipulation, of course, yeah, I'm expecting why it's not taking this low, and here I'm getting confirmation of bullish and in CFT broker. So after the few 5 minutes, I realized so let me check in the future chart what is going to happen. So due to my good luck, I checked the future chart. So I'm checking here the market is here. So I'm placing my buy trade in CFT account in my mobile phone, like funding they will be doing that, and I am entering in this FEG in 3 minutes. So I'm expecting the bullish price action in 1 minute. The price is reacting to the bullish period area and disrespecting the bearish period area. You can see here sell sell liquidity sweep. This is the sell sell liquidity sweep. And then I have the SMT with silver and below there is a higher time period area. And I entered in IAPG in 3 minutes. So it's an under open kill zone. So it's a good trade. Then I holded near to here, which is a good trade. You can see here after a little bit drawdown, it's went to market. So you need to have patience for holding the trade. If you are taking a trade, just understand, okay, I'm entering in this trade. Okay, my mindset, I'm going to follow my risk management, and entry point, stop loss. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just following what I have did. So this is the loss. You can see here my risk management is only to, so it's a good, it's only to 6.1 is to 2. It's good, I extremely good, 1 is to 2, it's very good. And I made 3% in this trade. I'm happy for that, guys. I made nearly about 1.25, near about $158. So this is the trend is helping to you on good news. If you're watching till this in the video, I'll be giving the good surprise for you in next 2 days. I'll be updating you guys. Stay tuned. Bye traders.